Professional ductwork cleaning services are essential for maintaining optimal indoor air quality and HVAC system efficiency in your home. Specialized technicians use advanced equipment to thoroughly remove accumulated dust, allergens, pet dander, and potential mold growth from your entire ductwork system, preventing these contaminants from circulating throughout your living spaces with every cycle of your heating and cooling system. Clean ducts can significantly improve system efficiency, as the U.S. Department of Energy notes that 25 to 40% of energy used for heating and cooling may be wasted due to contaminated systems that must harder to maintain desired temperatures.